If you're wondering how to upload a PowerPoint presentation in EverWebinar, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to seamlessly upload your PowerPoint and present it in your EverWebinar sessions with ease. And the best part? You can start using EverWebinar completely free with exclusive bonuses through the first link below. First, let's talk about the basic process. EverWebinar makes it simple to share your PowerPoint during a live or automated webinar. To get started, sign into your EverWebinar account and navigate to the Webinars section. Once you're there, choose the webinar you want to upload your presentation to, or create a new one if you haven't already. Next thing you'll want to do is find a Media tab within your webinar settings. This is where you'll upload all your files for the webinar. Click on Add Media, and you'll be prompted to upload your PowerPoint file. Make sure the PowerPoint is saved as a .ppt or .pptx file, as these formats are supported. Once your file is uploaded, EverWebinar gives you the option to either upload the entire presentation or select specific slides. This is especially helpful if you want to focus on key points without overloading your audience with too much at once. Now, the fourth thing you'll want to know is how to customize the look and feel of your presentation. EverWebinar lets you adjust the appearance of your slides. You can overlay text, images, or video, and even add a timer for any live content you may want to feature. Another crucial point is making sure your slides are visible and easy for attendees to read. EverWebinar allows you to adjust the size and position of your slides, so make sure they fit the screen properly for the best presentation experience. And before we wrap up, here's a quick pro tip. You can upload your PowerPoint slides in advance and test them within the EverWebinar platform to make sure everything looks great. Doing a test run will help you feel more confident when it's time for your actual session. To recap, uploading a PowerPoint presentation in EverWebinar is a smooth process. Just upload your file in the Media tab, select your slides, customize the look, and you're ready to present. And don't forget, you can start using EverWebinar completely free with the exclusive bonuses available through the first link below. Stick around until the end, because I'm also going to share how you can get an extended free trial of EverWebinar to take full advantage of its features. Stay tuned.